Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you'll learn how you can easily add button for your site in Bigcommerce. So let's start. First, you're gonna be on page and you want to click here in page builder and you're gonna see here button. Just take it and paste it where you want and you're gonna see here button label. So now you can change the text here, like click here. Then you can change the button link where it's going to header, margin, padding. Then you get like text here if you want to change the font size, and then you get styles. You can change the board thickness and radius and really play around it and change the colors. So this is how we can easily add button. What I also recommend is just adding the spacer under it, so it's like good. And this is how we can add button. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you're going to have a great day, and see ya and goodbye, my lover.